Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. So I wanted to bring you along on how you can create a 3D paper flower using a very simple and basic flat paper flower template. So as you see here, I did get this cut out using the Encore textured cardstock. It's an 80 pound and this particular color is the golden amber. So once I have my SVG cut out, you will be needing 5 of the petals for your paper flower. So I have extra cutouts here, but not to worry. You want to use a tool. You can either use the thinner side of a weeding pen, or if you have like a kebab stick or a thicker toothpick that you're able to use, and that's going to be a great tool on how to shape these paper flowers. So as you see here, I'm using that tool and I am curling each petal upwards and creating like a little taco, and they were not as far as I'd like for them to be. It was still a little too flat, so make sure you have your scissors around. Let's cut from the edge of the petal closer to the center. You don't want to go too close where you remove that petal from the rest of it. So we're going to make sure it's nice and curled, and as you see here, I'm going to be taking these individual layers, and I have the 3 here, and I'm going to place one petal inside of the other and then twisting it upward. So when you do this, you are closing each layer at each petal, but it's also shaping the paper so that it stays more upward instead of flat. And so as you see here, I'm using my Barely Art glue to glue each of these layers together. We started at the bottom. The next layer, you want to make sure that you are staggering the layers. You don't want to put one layer exactly on top of the other. Put the petals in between each other and stagger them. So now I grab the last 2 layers and I do the same here. I usually do the last 2 separately just because they are tighter, so you're trying to create like the bud of your flower, and I use my wooden stick there to press on the layer onto the rest of the flower. And so this is very helpful, especially since this is textured cardstock. You want to make sure that you have a nice glue amount in there and that it sets well, and by using this you help it finish that off. So hope you have enjoyed how to create this flower, and like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials.